So today I'm going out for checking or looking out for some action camera. I was checking online, but I just thought like offline is also a good option to at least explore. So I'm just going and checking few options. Will keep you posted. Stay tuned. लो कर लो बात, जाना था और गाड़ी की चाबी ही नहीं उठाई. He is my champion. He is suggesting lots of options. As a change, we are going on our car. क्या है, बाइक पे 3 लोग नहीं यार, ट्रिपलिंग नहीं करनी. Let's start and see you after the break. So now we can see we have GoPro 9 available in the market, and there are the various features already listed. It has 20 megapixel camera and 5K and 4K video. Then this is water resistance, voice control, slow motion, data overlays, and this one is time lapse, 1080 pixel, and SuperPhoto, raw, webcam mode, and touch screen. These are the features. So this is the official product of GoPro for India. You can see the only drawback is we are not able to get any further accessories for this, and we have gimbal also. So this one will cost you 9,700, and this is DJI Home 4 SE. And there is one more option, this one, Osmo Mobile 3, and this will cost you around 7,600. I think there will be some voice quality issue, but I just reached to another store, and let's see what they offer. So now we are in second shop, and I have Hero 9 Black in my hand, and the good thing is we can get accessories also from here. Okay, so this is the one adventure kit. This is one kit. One is this media mode. One is media mode. Three-way grip, arm and tripod. This is large tube mount. Lots of options. And this is curved or flat adhesive mount. Extension tripod, lots of options. There is one rechargeable battery, and this adapter, and this one 3-way. I think this we already seen. So finally we got GoPro. This one, more videos, more fun coming soon. Unlike to the first shop, I got a good option and good deal in the second shop. So the good thing is now we will use GoPro. Unboxing of GoPro 9 is coming soon, so stay tuned. So we are back home, and खाना हमने खा लिया है. अब खाना खाने के बाद में टाइम है अनबॉक्सिंग का. So let's do the unboxing. As I said, always sanitize. That is the best practice. Sanitize them. extra bit of safety, but yes, pretty much required at this time. So now actually I got 3 items. I'll unbox everything. Let's unbox now. Unboxing for GoPro 9. It's easy, I guess, to unbox. I think so, yeah. Okay, let's open it further. Tough to unbox. I think need to cut it. Yes, open it. Okay, so this is the box, this is the case actually, and it's pretty good. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh wow. So as you can see, there is one camera, GoPro, one cable, one mount as well, and another mount, and one battery. So these are the things which comes inside the box, and one sticker and one manual. Have product questions. Do you have any questions of the product? Refer this. Just remove this as well. Okay, right, so here is the power button. There is a place for battery. Battery is also one of my favorite character in Call of Duty, and this is for power cable to charge it. Let's open it further. Let's install the battery. So what you need to do is just push it and open it. Over here you just need to look inside first, and let's place the battery inside. Here it is. Okay, and there is one option as well for SD card, so we'll insert the SD card as well. And guys, it's not that easy because इसकी वजह से मेरा नाखून भी कट गया थोड़ा सा, so it is hard. So whenever you do that, please keep that in mind. Here is the SD card. Let's open it and try to insert it. And my thumb is hurting a bit badly, not too much, but yes, a bit badly. इसके चक्कर में मेरे को इसको खोलने में भी दिक्कत हो रही है, बिकॉज मैं अपना थंब यूज़ नहीं कर रहा. फाइनली इसको मैंने खोल ही दिया. ओके, सो ये भी लग गया है. एंड इसको बंद करते हैं. We made it. Let's turn on the power and see. Yes, it is. So currently the battery is 19%. Over here you can see the battery is 19%. Let's charge the battery first. Let me turn it off first. Okay, powering off. It is off now. And what we will do is we'll use this cable to charge it. And this is another thing which I got, and this is actually a mount, GoPro mount, which I'm going to fix in my bike somewhere. That is not decided yet. So let's just open it as well quickly. Yes, but I need a knife. I'm not going to use my hands, especially my thumb and my nails. So let me bring the knife. So I got the knife, and let's cut the. Okay, it becomes easy. I was actually wrong. I was using my thumb. Not a good idea at all. I must use some tool. And over here, this, wow, it looks very nice. Box is empty. So it comes with a lifetime warranty, and this is original GoPro product, you can say, right? And let's just see what all elements we have and what we need to connect. So this is the one piece. We'll check how to install. And this is the main mount. So actually this mount will, you need to open it like this, and then you need to tighten up like this only. I'll check it later on how to actually open it and install it, but I got the idea, like this is the place, this is the only screw which you need to do and assemble it in your bike. And one more thing, there is one small screw as well. Come on, this is the screw. So this actually I think going to place somewhere here. Yes, it is. Yes, so I'll use it tomorrow and try to cover that in my video, but देखते हैं कल असेंबल करेंगे इसको. ये भी खाली. Let's charge the battery for GoPro and see the performance. And you guys stay tuned because this is not going to over now. अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है. So guys, update date and time. There are two options: setup manually and quick app. So I try to use quick app. Let's see. I have already installed the quick app in my mobile, and let's update the date and time. So this is the first video I am shooting from GoPro, and this is the cinematic mode, and I believe the quality is really nice. Rest you guys can tell me. So it was not actually planned. I just went to the market to check out some of the offline options available for action camera. So Insta360 wasn't available at all, and for GoPro I got a good deal actually. I just compared the price on online and offline as well. So offline deal was quite better. So I got the deal and bought GoPro. And some rush were going on, so I was not able to shoot the whole video, like when they were talking about the deals and what bets they could do, and some other stuff. So that particular time I couldn't shoot it. So I suggest, if you want to go for an action camera, then GoPro is a very good option. And if you can wait for some time, then you can buy GoPro 10. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. So what I will do is I'll install the mounts tomorrow and shoot the videos and create some good stuff for you guys. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.